I'm going to show you an interesting product to repair tools and items around the house, and it's called FiberFix. And this is a repair wrap. It has epoxy-like resins that get incredibly hard when they cure. And in this kit, you've got the repair wrap itself that's sealed. It comes with gloves because you don't want to get this on your hand. And then it has sandpaper, so anything glossy like this, we have a shovel that we cut in half. And on the outside of this, we're just going to take the sandpaper and we're going to work around and take off any gloss. So now you take the FiberFix out of the pouch and we're going to put this and submerge it in room temperature water, and you want it to absorb water for about 10 to 12 seconds. You want it fully saturated. Make sure you're wearing gloves. And then we're going to start wrapping it loosely around this broken handle and then getting it tighter and tighter. And we want to extend about 4 or 5 inches on both sides of the crack or the cut, and then we want about 5 levels. We're going to get all the excess water off of it. And now we're just going to put our handle together. Just lightly wrap it so we can kind of hold this in place. And I'm going to work my way one direction and start to tighten it up. And then I'm going to line up the handle and support it. And then once I get this wrapped, then I'll line it up better. So we just start to wrap it like this. We're going to line it up, and we want to push these resins in. We want about 5 wraps right where the cut is. And now start pulling it tighter. And it gets very, very sticky. So we'll remove this inner plastic core. And now we're just going to pull this tight. And you want to spread those resins evenly. And then what we have is we have this piece of vinyl. And what this is going to do is, this is a stretchy vinyl that's going to, you can see how sticky this is. This is a stretchy vinyl that we're going to put over the top of this, and we're going to pull this tight. And this is going to help fuse those resins into that cloth. And as it hardens, it's going to hold this shape. So stretch and pull this, it'll stick on itself, and we're just going to line it up now. And you can feel this start to get hot as this starts to cure. So this is actually going to set up in probably 10 minutes or so. This will be set, and we're going to leave this set for about 20 minutes, and it should be as hard as a rock. So we'll let this set and we'll see how it works. After 20 minutes, all you have to do is remove that vinyl. And what's nice about this is sandable, so you can smooth this out, and it's paintable, and it just gets amazingly hard. So we've taken this tool that we cut in half, and it's just as good as new. We've used epoxies for years in our home repair, and it does a great job but for certain applications like this wrap is so much better because it holds the parts in place while those resins cure. So just a very nice product, and I'll put the company's information underneath the video.